Hello and welcome to Science, Knowledge, and Know-How. This week's course is on insect migration. Well, we are migrating too this month. His Inc. is on the road. We're in the Great Plains of North America. As you can see from the scenery behind us, we've got some rolling hills and some stringer trees along the creeks and rivers. And we are studying these wonderful insect migrants. It's a wonderful time of year to get out and see these creatures that might only pass through your area, whether birds or insects. They might be coming here for the first time in a long time to breed. And so we're studying those creatures this week. We've got some fantastic courses for you, including videos on the air column, the column of air. If you remember talking about fish and the water column, and different organisms living at different levels inside the ocean or in a freshwater body. The same is that for the column of air. And if you drew a square on the ground and went up thousands of feet, that column of air would continue and continue and continue. And if you kept following, you would find insects that are flying at different levels in that air column, that are migrating. And thousands of feet above us, little arachnids, which are 8-legged arthropods, such as spiders and mites and ticks. And arthropods are the classification of the broad group of jointed appendages, animals with jointed appendages like insects. And so studying that column of air, you'll learn some amazing things. You'll learn some very wonderful details about monarch butterfly migration from Mexico to the northern US and Canada. You'll learn about dragonfly migration, and the long-distance champions of the insect world for migrants is a species of dragonfly you'll learn about. You'll get some great documentaries looking at insect migration in the big picture. And then lastly, you'll have some wonderful projects. And for beginners this week, the project will involve using coffee filters to create butterflies. The intermediate project will involve origami, making origami dragonflies. And then lastly, for advanced students, you will make a miniature robot bug migrant who will be scurrying around your floor. Don't squash him, because you will have put some good time into making that creature. And so we hope you enjoy the courses this week, the projects and the conceptual lessons. And stay tuned for more. We have a butterfly activity coming for you a little later that we hope you enjoy. Thanks for tuning in, Science, Knowledge, and Know-How, and this week's course on insect migration.